Now it's time to change some settings on our blog to make it work the way we want it to work. From the dashboard, go to Settings, right near the bottom here. Then in here you have your basic settings. We set some of these when we were setting the blog up in Fantastical. So from here you can change your blog title, the tagline, the WordPress address, and the blog address, and they can be in different spots. The email address, membership. Now, if you want anyone to be able to register, click this. Otherwise, registration is turned off unless you register them from within the back end here. And the roles that the new user will adapt when they subscribe. You can set your time zone here. Down here, the date format that you want to use within your blog. And down here, the time format you want to use. The week that it starts, you can save your changes for the general options. Now, we have writing options. There's a number of things that you can set in here to match your preferences to the way you want things to work. You have here emoticons and whether it should collect and envelop XHTML automatically. The default post category, you might want to set this and then you can change it during the time of post. So if most of the time you're going to be blogging on a specific subject, this would be a good time to set the default. So we'll set affiliate marketing. Default link category. We haven't set up our link categories yet. We'll do that in a minute. You can post via email by setting the mail server, the login name, and the password, and then you can just email your entries in and it will post them to your blog automatically to the category you set here. And then down here we have our ping list. The ping list automatically notifies update services that something has changed on your blog. In the resources document, you'll find a list of entries that you can just paste in here. So just grab all these and then copy and paste them into your blog. So just paste them in here. We'll save our changes. We'll come back to reading after we add some content. Discussion. This is how different parts of your blog are handled as far as the content is concerned. These options have to do with linking links into your blog and links out of your blog, and you can set whether you're going to allow pingbacks and trackbacks. That's what these are here. So you can set these to your preference, whether you want to allow people to post comments to your articles. If you do, you leave that checked. If you don't, uncheck it. Comment author must fill out a name and email, and then you have different restrictions down here that you can use as well. One thing I do suggest is that you have a comment is held for moderation checked. That way people can't go spamming your blog and get it posted right away without you seeing it. When you have everything in here set the way you want it, you can update. Now you also have comment blacklist down here. You can blacklist certain words down here and it will move the comment right to the spam folder. Like that, one per line. Flew by this one here, but you can also do the same thing, but instead of moving it into the spam folder, it's going to move it into the moderation queue up here. Down here you have the ability to handle how avatars are going to work. Click Save Changes when you're happy with that.